Squatting is one of the most effective exercises you can do, and the internet is full of before and after photos showing how much people have transformed by simply adding squats to their daily routine. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what happens to your body when you squat regularly, and why this one move can have such a big impact. Watch until the end so you don't miss any of the benefits. Let's get started. Different types of squats. Squats aren't one size fits all. You can squat with your own body weight, add resistance with dumbbells or a barbell, or even incorporate squat jumps for explosive power. The most common style is the classic bodyweight squat. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart or slightly wider. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the floor. From there are plenty of variations. Bodyweight squat, perfect for beginners and great for form. Weighted squat, adding dumbbells or a barbell increases muscle engagement. Squat jump adds cardio and explosive strength. Plea squat, wider stance, toes turned out, targeting the glutes and inner thighs more intensely. Benefit number 1, visible muscle growth. If you squat regularly, the first thing you'll notice is stronger, more defined muscles. Unlike running or cycling, which are great for endurance but don't build much muscle mass, squats actively stimulate growth. That's why transformation photos are so dramatic. Even in just a month, especially if you haven't trained before, your legs and glutes can look noticeably different. Benefit number 2, weight loss and fat reduction. Squats are a compound movement, meaning they work multiple large muscle groups at once. This burns more calories, boosts your metabolism, and helps shed body fat. Over time, your body composition changes. More muscle, less fat, giving you a leaner, more toned look. Benefit number 3, better cardiovascular health. Squatting isn't just for muscles, it benefits your heart too. The movement improves circulation, strengthens the heart muscle, and increases blood flow to the lower body. If you sit a lot during the day, squats also improve venous return, helping prevent poor leg circulation. Benefit number 4, improved posture. If you perform squats with proper form, straight back, chest up, lower back slightly arched, you'll strengthen the muscles that support your spine. This naturally helps correct posture, reduces slouching, and can ease back discomfort caused by weak stabilizing muscles. Benefit number 5, greater endurance and lung capacity. Squats challenge not only your muscles, but also your respiratory system. With consistent practice, your lung capacity and endurance improve. You'll also develop better breathing control, inhaling on the way down, exhaling on the way up, which is essential for all forms of strength training. Benefit number 6, better hip and ankle mobility. A full range of motion squat keeps your hips, knees, and ankles flexible. This is especially helpful if you've been sedentary and experience stiffness or mild joint discomfort. With correct technique, squats can even help reduce knee and lower back pain by strengthening supportive muscles. Benefit number 7, stronger core and injury prevention. Your core, the muscles of the abdomen and lower back, plays a huge role in squatting. This makes squats a great way to build stability and reduce the risk of injuries, especially to your back. Adding variations like squat jumps or weighted squats increases core activation even more. Safety and technique tips. If you're squatting with heavy weight such as a barbell, proper form is critical. Poor technique can lead to injury, especially to your knees or lower back. If you're new to barbell squats, have an experienced coach or athlete guide you for safer, beginner-friendly options. Start with bodyweight squats. Try PLI squats to focus on the glutes. Add squat jumps for cardio and explosive strength. Quick how-to for popular squat variations. Final thoughts. Squats are simple but incredibly powerful. Whether your goal is to tone your legs, lose fat, improve posture, or build endurance, this one exercise delivers results. So, how do you squat? Are you already doing them daily, or are you thinking about starting? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear about your progress. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more health and fitness tips, and check out the other videos on my channel. See you soon.